Most buyers are told they have to choose space or income, room for family, or room in the budget, but every once in a while, a home comes along that asks you to choose nothing at all. This is 113 Midtown Close, built in 2021, in the heart of one of Airdrie's most established communities. And what makes it rare isn't just what you see from the street, it's what's inside. The main floor is open, bright, and move-in ready. A quartz kitchen, a gas range, and a space built for everyday life. And then, something you almost never find at this price, a full bedroom and a full bathroom right here on the main floor. For the parents who can manage stairs, for the guests who value their space, for the way real families actually live. Upstairs, a complete family floor. 3 bedrooms, a primary retreat with a double vanity ensuite, and laundry right where you need it. This alone would be a wonderful home, but this is where 113 Midtown Close becomes something more. Because below the main home is a second one with a private 2-bedroom suite with its own kitchen, its own laundry, and its own separate entrance. And this isn't a maybe. Both units were leased for 2 full years. More than $2,600 upstairs, $1,500 below. That's more than $4,100 every month. Real and verifiable. Live upstairs and let the suite help pay your mortgage. Rent both and hold a proven income property. However you use it, the numbers are already in your favor. Here in the walkable heart of Midtown, minutes from the pond, the pathways, and everything Airdrie has to offer. 113 Midtown Close, 2 homes, 1 address, and income already built in. If you've been looking for a home that works as hard as you do, this is it. I'm Marietta Mendez with eXp Realty Calgary. I'd love to show it to you in person.